Next, seasons in a year. So, the questions based on seasons in a year in our workbook. So, these are our workbook problems. So, in this workbook problem, the first question is based on seasons. Now, the season is which season it is? Now, the season. Now, this is January month, the first month. So, the first month is January. The season is winter season. The season is winter. So, January is the winter season. Okay. Now, today's date is 27. The date is 27 January 2021. According to your year and your day, so write your date here. So today 27/1/2021. But if the year is 2022, then take 2022 year and month. According to that, you write your month, change your month according to your date. Okay. So now, yesterday's date. Yesterday means one day before. So that is 26th. 26th. The month is January month and 2021. Okay. Now, tomorrow's date is tomorrow means coming day. Next day. Next day is today 27, tomorrow 28. 28 first month 2021. These are date. Okay. Next, how many days are there in February? February months basically already we discussed. In the February we have 28 or 29 days. 28 days or 29 days. 28 or 29 days. If the year is leap year, then 29 days. If the year is, this means it's not leap year, then 28 days. 1 day is less. 2021, this year is not a leap year. So, we have 28 days this year. So, here he is not asking this particular year. So, that is like, so generally we have to write how many days in February month, 28 and 29 days. If the year is not leap year, then we have 28 days. If the leap year, then we have 29 days. Okay. What day will February finish on? So, at what day? So, 28th or 29th. The last date is 28th or 29th. Okay. So, in leap year, the last date is 29th. So, without leap year, so the last date is 28th. Okay. Now, next. So, what will be the date? Here he is asking date. 3 days after 7th February. 7th February after 3 days. 7th. 8th, 9th, 10th. After 3 days, 10th February. 10th February. 10th of February. 10th of February. Next. 5 days before 11th. Before he is asking. 11th. After before 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th. Before 5 days, 6th February. 6th of February. Okay. So, 5 days before we have to count. Next, 2 weeks after 11th February. After 11th. 2 weeks means 14 days. 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. So, 2 weeks after 9th. 14 days we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. If we count 14 days, that is 23rd of February. 23rd of 14 days we have to count. From 9 to 14 we have to add. 9 plus 14. 9 plus 14. 9 plus 14, that is 23rd. 23rd of February. Okay. Before means we have to subtract. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6th of February. So, after means we have to add. 7 plus 3, 10th. Okay. Okay, students. See here. Draw the hands of the given time. So, here 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means the long hand we have to take at 12. and the short hand we have to draw at 8. This is 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock means long hand at 12, short hand at 9. This is 9 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Here 11 o'clock, long hand, that means minute hand at 12 o'clock and short hand at 11 o'clock. 11. So this is 11 o'clock. 11 means we should take short hand at 11. So 9 o'clock means short hand at 9. Here 8 o'clock means short hand at 8, but long hand we have to take at 12 only. Okay. Now, so in the second question, write the correct time. So here already hands are given, so we have to write the correct time here. The short hand is at 5 and long hand at 12, it is 5 o'clock. So here the time is 5 o'clock, the time is 5 o'clock. The next one, the short hand is at 9 and long hand is at 12. The short hand is at 9 means 9 o'clock. Here the short hand is at 3, long hand is at 12, then 3 o'clock. The time is 3 o'clock. Here the time is 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Okay. Now, next question, clock. So, match the digital clock and analog clock that shows the same time. So, these are the digital clocks, this is analog clocks. Here 3 digital clocks given, 3 analog clocks are given. So, we have to match with the time. Here this is 9:45, 9:45. Where is 9:45? So, we have to match this with 9:45. Next, this is 7:30, 7:30. The next, this one is 10:15, 10, here it is at 3, means 3 5s are 15, 10:15, 10:15, here 9, after 9, the bigger hand is at 5, 9 5s are 45, means 9:45. Here the bigger hand is at 6, 6 5s are 30, means 7:30. Okay. Now, here, so what time is it? So, here, so some clocks are given, so we have to write time here. So, here bigger hand is at 2, means 2 5s are 10, 10 minutes. The hand is at 10, means 10 10. Here the time is 10 10. Okay. Now, here the bigger hand is at 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 minutes. Now, after that hours we have to check. So, it is near to 1, not 1 means 12. So, 12:45 we have to write. Now, here the bigger hand is at 9, means 9 5s are 45, 45 minutes and hours. It is not exact on 3. So, it is at 2, means 2:45. So, okay, 2:45, here the time is 2:45, here the time is 12:45, here the time is 10:10. So, in this more 3 questions were there, that more 3 questions. So, in that analog clocks are given. So, write your time in that up. Okay. So, more 3 questions, do as your home assignment. Now, see here. So, in brain booster, the first question. So, answer in one word. So, 4 questions are given. So, these question answers we have to give in one word. How many days are there in a week? In a week we have 7 days, that we know. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Total how many days? 7 days. 7 days in a week. In a week, 7 days. So, which month is the 5th month of the year? First month is January, second month is February, third month is March, fourth month is April, fifth month is May. Fifth month is May. May is the 5th month. Next, which month follows June? Means after June, which month will come? Then July. So, this is July. 1 minute. Yeah. So, the third question, which month follows June? Means June after, that is July. Next, how many days are there in a week? So, in a week how many days there? 1 week, how many days are there in 3 weeks? How many weeks? 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, how many days are there? In 1 week, 7 days. In 2 weeks, 14 days. In 3 weeks, 21. So, we have to multiply with 7. Why? 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then 3 weeks is equal to 3 sevens are 21. 21 days. 21 days. 3 weeks, 21 days. Okay. Now, next read and write the time. See here the bigger hand is at 9, means 9 fives are 9, we have to multiply with 5. 9 fives are 45. 45 minutes. So, it is not at exact on 3. So, it is 2:45. The time is 2:45 here. Now, the next here the bigger hand is at 4, means 4 we have to multiply with 5. 4 fives are 20 minutes. The shorter hand is at 7, means 7:20. The time is 7:20. Now, here the bigger hand, that is minute hand, is at 6. 6 fives are 30 minutes, and it is at 10:30. The time is 10:30. Now, here the bigger hand is at 4, means we have to multiply with 5. 4 fives are 20 minutes, and the bigger shorter hand is at 10:20. The time is 10:20. Now, here the bigger hand is at 1, means this is minute hand. So, we have to multiply 1 with 5. 1 fives are 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes we have to write like this 0:5. And the shorter means our hand is at 3, means 3 hours. 3 hours 5 minutes. Now, here the minutes hand is at 7, means we have to multiply 7 with 5. 7 fives are 35 minutes. And the shorter hand is in between 5 and 6, means 5 we have to take, not 6. 5:35. The time is 5:35. Okay. Now, draw the minutes hand to show the time and write the time. So, here the 9:30. So, the time is 9:30. 15 minutes later. So, then after 15 minutes, then what is the time? So, 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, 9:45. After 15 minutes, the time is 9:45. 9:45. 45 means the bigger hand is at 9. 9 fives are 45. The time is here 9:45. After 15 minutes, the time is 9:45. Here, what is the present time? 9:10. Then after 15 minutes later, so 10 plus 15, 25. The time is 9:25. The time should be 9:25. 9:25. 25 means the bigger hand is at 5. 5 fives are 25. The bigger hand is at 5. Now, here, so here the time is 3:45. After 15 minutes, the time is 4 o'clock. After 15 minutes, the time is 15 minutes later, the time is 4 o'clock. 4 means the bigger hand is at 12. Okay, 4 o'clock. 15 minutes means more 15 minutes we have to add. Then whatever time is there, according to that we have to keep hands, shorter hand and smaller hands. Now, draw the hands of the clock shown in the time. Time is given here 12:45. Here the 45 means, so 9 fives are, means bigger hand is at 9. Bigger hand is at 9. 12 means shorter hand is in between 1 and 2. This is 12:45. 12:45. Then 8 o'clock. It is very easy. Here the bigger hand is at 12 and shorter hand is at 8. This is 8 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. Now 2:30, it is also very easy. 2:30 means shorter hand is in between 2 and 3 and the bigger hand is at 66. Then this is 2:30. Then 1:30, it is also very easy. 1:30 means bigger hand is at 6 and shorter hand is in between 1 and 2. This is 1:30. This is 1:30. Okay. Now 4:35, the bigger hand, shorter hand is in between 4 and 5 and 35 means 7 5s are 35. The bigger hand is at 7, shorter hand is at in between 4 and 5. This is 435 and 9 10. So, the bigger hand is at 9 and the shorter hand is 2 5s are 10. This is 9 10. Okay. So, in this way we have to draw our hands. Okay. Enough. Fill in the blanks. So, in the first bit 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? This we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to how many hours? So, this also we know before we discuss. 1 hour is equal to 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. The first month of year is, the first month is January. The first month is January month. The last month of the year, December. Last month is December. Okay. Okay, students. Now see here, so enrichment activity. So in this activity, so what is the main aim? So main aim, what is the main objective? So here the main objective is to learn more about time on the clock. So we have to learn more about time on the clock. So for that, what material we need? A printer we need, a paper. So white paper plus 2 color glaze papers. So one white paper we need, 2 color glaze papers we need, glue, scissor, pencil. So these are the requirements. Then what to do after that? So after that, so we have to take, so in the procedure we have to take a printout. What printout we have to take out? We have to take a printout. So a clock printout we have to take. So we have to take a printout, clock printout. So from printer. So from computer to printer, so we have to take a printout, clock printout. So that is in white paper or in 2 glaze papers we have to take a printout, and after that, so this is a clock printout. Then after that, so we have to cut this clock, cut this print with a scissor. So then after that, this printout we have to paste on a glaze paper, so with the help of glue. Okay. After that, with a pencil, so we have to mark, we make a hole in between. So in the center we make a hole, and after that keep 2 hands. So 2 hands with any means, with sticks or so with toothpicks, whatever. So or ice cream that sticks. So keep 2 hands. One you make a bigger and other one smaller hand. So in that way you prepare 2 hands. One is a bigger hand, other one is smaller hand, and you prepare your clock in this way. Then after that, so rotating these 2, changing these 2 hands, ask your friend what is the time. If suppose if you keep short hand at 3 and long hand at 12, then ask your friend what is the time. So if they say 3 o'clock, then the answer is correct. And after that again you change your time. So change your hands. So one hand is at 9, other hand is at in between 2 and 3. Then ask your friend what is the time. If he says 2:45, 2 hours 45 minutes, so then your answer is correct. So in that way you change the hand's position and ask your friends what is the time. If they says correct, the answer is correct, then otherwise they are wrong, and make them to correct. So this game you do in your short break or in lunch break, after your lunch. So in short break, so when you are going time means, so leaving time. So whenever you are free, ask your friends, so after preparing your clock. Okay.